Good evening, brothers and sisters. It is 8:49 p.m. Central Standard Time on February 1st, 2022. I hope our Creator's keeping you well and safe wherever you are in the world. Just want to let everybody know that it has arrived. We have initial impact. You can see the KP index. We are up at a 4. This is going to go up. We can also see here over the last few hours we actually had a pretty decent sized C flare, and it looked like it was a long duration event. Of course, peaking out and then coming back down and having another little spike. But as we scroll up, we can see that they are talking about it is a G2 that is hitting us at this current time. Now let's go ahead and scroll on down here to let's keep going. There we go. Space weather enthusiasts. This is one of the ones that I come to typically on a regular basis. You can see here it was a pretty decent event for our C flare, and as we scroll down, as we scroll down a little bit more, you can see that here we are. The initial wave has impacted. We are looking at a 5, and it goes down to 4, then back up to 5 and 6. So the majority of it, the heavy hitting part, will be hitting between 1800 and 2100 UTC time tomorrow. So we are getting the solar winds first before the major impact of the plasma, as you can see. And as we scroll down here, and we'll just breeze right on by Enlil. Just pay him no, never mind. And we can see that we can definitely see that there was an impact here. Look at this, we came all the way down to -10. So yep, we're definitely getting impacted right now, and it's trying to correct itself, but unfortunately it's not going to do so well. And we'll come down here, we'll actually take a look at the C flare really quick. We'll let this thing load. And here we are. We're going to check out our absorption here. Let me tap on that for you there, folks. Get a little bit closer in for you. And we can see that that big spike actually happened when it was mostly over the Pacific Ocean. There was not a lot out there. I mean, of course, you got Hawaii and Tonga, and right, it's going to pop up right around 2300. And here we go. Now this is UTC time. Now this is a C. Now we're looking at, it says that it's about 22 decibels of absorption, and I would have to concur with that. According to the color charts, it looks like we are getting about 22. Ooh, looks like we might even be getting about to 23, 24. Looks like there might be a little yellowish tinge there, but we can also see that it was a pretty long event. Did get over into Eastern Australia, definitely hit New Zealand. So there was radio blackouts, and you also had GPS issues. So we're going to be having some more GPS issues coming up. Now let's take a look over here at our magnetosphere cut planes. Now this right here is our pressure, and this is the other way I know that it has arrived, folks. I took a look at this. I told you that I would do this, and this is what I'm doing. This is from the University of Michigan Geospace model. Okay, again, this is our geospace magnetosphere cut planes. This is our pressure. I showed you on my previous video that our pressure was actually doing somewhat decent, but now watch this. Look at this. Bow shock. Complete impact. Boom. There's the pressure. The pressure is on. Just like that. Look at how that thing is stressed out. Now we're taking it pretty well. Now this is just the initial impact. Don't forget. We still got the plasma that's going to be with solar winds that's going to be hitting us tomorrow. So we can definitely say that our planet is under some serious pressure right now. Look at that bad boy. But our shields are doing pretty well. It is fighting back. Now I'm running backwards, obviously, but it is definitely taking a hit. But we're doing okay for right now. Let's just hope that ooh, did you guys see that shockwave? There's another one. Boom. It's kind of nice to see them when they come in like that. But we'll see how the rest of it pans out. You guys do stay safe out there, and remember, love is the only way forward. Tin foil hats on, by all means.